Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. I was trying to curl my hair and it didn't come out, so whatever. So today is a collab with one of the best people I have met so far on this community of YouTube, and her name is Jessica Vargas, and we are doing a cool collab. Palette bingo. I'm so excited. I have never done a collab, so this is my first collab. So if you haven't checked out Makeup with Jessica Vargas, I will leave her link in the description box, and check it out. I'm so excited. Like, I don't even know how it's gonna come out, but I'm thrilled that we're doing this because it gives me a chance to be uncomfortable with makeup, which I am already, but I want to try something that is out of my comfort zone. So what we're using is the Summer in Saint-Tropez palette by BH Cosmetics, and it is a bingo palette. So let's count how many shades, and I have this random number generator here, and if you want to see how this comes out, keep watching. Okay, so here is the palette, and again, it's with Jessica Vargas. Woo! I know hers is gonna come out beautiful because she does this all the time, and she's, you know, an expert. So here are the shades. Oh, like 1, 2, 3, 4, and then all the way down to, this would be number 16. Okay. And we'll get started. Okay, so I have Sand, Crepe, Exotic, and Coastline. Ooh, wow. Next row. That's the next row. Let's see, we have Marina, Cabana, Beach Club, Super Yacht, very, very soft. Let's go over here. Let's see how we can do this. Paradise, Villa, Pampelon, Bay, Intoxicating, Nightlife, Jet Set, and Sizzle. Woo! So these are the swatches. Woo-hoo-hoo-hoo-hoo. And that's e.l.f. So we're gonna do the number picker here, and like I said, I got it up on my phone, and there's 16 shades, so we're gonna pick 5, and then I'm gonna write them down, and we're gonna go with it. Okay, so first number 7. 7 is my favorite number. Hopefully that's a good one. And next, what is that, 15, 9, 13, and one more, number 3. And we're gonna get started. So number 3 is Exotic. 1, 2, 3. 13 is, okay, this would be 16, 15, 14, 13. That's Intoxicating. Okay, that's 4, 8, 9 is Paradise. 15 is this nice coral orange, Jet Set. Wow. And number 7, that's 8, so this is 7, is Beach Club. Oh, these are such pretty colors. I mean, they all are, but wow. So, yay! Next, we're gonna go in with Jet Set. The shimmers, we have Paradise, which is this goldish color here. Then we have Exotic, which is also kind of a yellowish gold with some green in there. And then we have Beach Club, which is beautiful. So let's see. Not bad, not bad. Let's see. Let's go. Ooh, that's very nice. Paradise down here. That's nice. And then with the same brush that I cleaned off, we're gonna go in with Exotic. And build that up here. This brush is perfect. I got these in BoxyCharm, but it's perfect for that inner corner. Well, I will move it over. Okay guys, so there's the eyeshadow look that I came up with using the 5 colors. I'm gonna put some mascara, eyeliner, and some lipstick, and we'll see how it smells. So good. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. This is the final look on the eyes. What do you guys think? Did I do a good job? I hope so. I wouldn't have put these colors together, but it looks really great. And maybe I should use palette bingo when I do my eyeshadows all the time. Okay guys, so thanks so much for watching. I hope you guys check out Jessica's video if you haven't already. And like, share, subscribe, comment down below. I love reading everybody's comments. And till the next time, stay safe.